A call to action and an end to violent crimes against the aged. Help will now be just a call away. Safety and the well-being of the most vulnerable at the center of the helpline. The helpline aims to fight elder abuse by providing a platform to report abuse immediately. TAFTA says South Africa has an Older Persons Act of 2006, which criminalizes elder abuse, but the implementation of the act is still an issue, mainly due to the fact that elder abuse is still classified under contact crime or GBV. The Association for the Aged says elder abuse has become prevalent, with many cases going undocumented.
Statistics really are quite alarming when we think about the fact that 1 in 6 older people would have experienced some kind of abuse. In South Africa, that translates to like 916,000 people that would have experienced some kind of abuse. But what's really concerning is the issue around the reporting of elder abuse. So while we have 916,000 estimated who would have experienced abuse, only about 36,000, 4%, report the abuse. So as TAFTA, we were trying to think about how can we as an organization be part of the solutions, not the problem.
Stigma regarding mental illness and age-old myths also contribute to the rise in abuse against the aged.
In some communities, because of some of the ailments like dementia, Alzheimer's, people have misconceptions, whether it's associated with myths, witchcraft, and hence some of those crimes are related to elder abuse. But as people age within their homes as well, unfortunately, we see a lot of abuse. The high statistics reveal that older persons within their homes are subject to abuse, and some of them go undiscovered, but although it's quite high.
The elderly who were also a part of the launch say this helpline is a lifeline, as many who were unable to report cases of abuse due to the fear or lack of sufficient airtime will be able to do so. And proving age is nothing but a number. Some even suggested more innovative approaches to modifying the new helpline.
This would be a way for them to be able to do it secretly. I don't know how. Maybe as we go forward, they'll be able to put that in place. To do it even if the abuser is in the room, be able maybe to just press on an emergency number.
There are so many elderly people out there that need this line for abuse and children taking their grants and using it for drugs and all that, and they're too afraid to speak to anybody, especially family or whoever. They don't trust anybody anymore.
TAFTA says physical abuse is not the only form of abuse that the elders are subjected to. Other forms include sexual abuse, financial and psychological abuse. The helpline will have a data record highlighting where abuse is prevalent. TAFTA says they will alert law enforcement and social services should there be any distress calls that warrant home visits and investigations.
The number again, Kulumangayo, it is 0800 10 11 10. Ilula, Mauta 10 11, Pinduti 10.
Jade Paulser, SABC News, Durban.